Such competitions have nearly 8 decades of tradition, and we may ask why. The first one is that everybody is a winner. The winners are the students gaining insights of science and strongly and tightly collaborating with their supervisors. The supervisors themselves, because they can address real scientific challenge, but in a broader context, even the society, as many of these research challenges are of an utmost importance, ranging from environment, energy, to information technology. The next one, which is important, that this movement is like a live organization with a huge capability to the adaptation. I would say, for instance, now one of the challenges is to ethically adapt artificial intelligence into the research and students. Finally, as this is a Hungarian tradition, the Hungarian National Council for Student Research has the ambition to show to its European dimension. These ELISA competitions serve as a laboratory experiment to go and extend it to Europe. Many members in the jury are involved into the steering committee of different branches, and the Presidium sets up an agenda for the internationalization. So I hope it's so that not only next year ELISA once again will have such a competition, but it will grow out to a broader movement all over Europe. As a pleasure, I hope it's so, to the students and supervisors.